Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet done so, please consider subscribing. Please remember to like and share the video them. As by now you know, so we travel to the depth of Jamaica to find the story, wherever the story is. Today we do one place named Yorktown in a Clarendon. And today's journey take us to the process in making Dutch pot, coal pot, manhole covers, you name it, anything you can make out of aluminum, these guys make it. But today specifically, we want to see how they make Dutch pot. We are going to walk you through the whole step, making of the mold, the furnace, the melting of the material, the molding of the pots, the shining of the pots, the whole, you name it, me I go show you. Follow up on this journey here. Coal pot, soon come. The Dutch pot is a heavy cast iron pot originating in the Netherlands, and it was brought to Jamaica in the early 1700s during the slave trade and has become a staple in every Jamaican kitchen since. And when we say heavy, one thing that holds true is that every single Jamaican home has at least one Dutch pot, if not all five. Its design allows for even heat distribution, making it ideal for slow cooking traditional dishes like stew, curry goat rice and peas, baked pudding, brown stew, pork and them kind of something. Oh, so this is when it just come out of the mold. That's how it look. So all the little part, that's how you just cut them off.
Yeah, just cut them off.
See? Like all the one we have all the hole in the bottom now, we didn't do it. They melt it back.
Might be the melt it, but you can't patch, you know.
Okay.
So if you want to cut off this and you go more wall in it, then just melt it up like that. It's like how this there, no? The whole there, right, you know?
Yeah.
The same time this will come off and I'm sure if it can't come off. You see it?
Yeah.
It have to melt up back.
Oh, so you
Melt up back, I can't patch.
So all of that you just grind off, clean him up. So Miss Pansie, how much longer you think you want to continue making Dutch pot?
As long as I live.
For real?
Yes.
Alright, cool. And you say your husband bring you into it?
Yes.
And after he died, you just kind of continue with it? What are some of the challenges you face in this business there?
Challenges like the material is a challenge. Because every time you go to the scrap yard, most likely the material raise.
Right.
That is one challenge. The other one is to be away from civilization because of the smoke that the furnace brings. Monetary fund is a challenge. But with all of that, I come to love the work and would want to continue with it. Husband and myself, we were just doing it for the likeness of it, you know.
Oh, so you never plan to take it big?
This is unexpected because we have children to go to school and all of that in those days. So we just do it to help out. He used to work on a tugboat, so he wasn't that interested in it because the work is hard.
I me see that.
Oh my God. So he was more interested in the tug, to be the cook on the tugboat. But then I see that I can help out by sending children to school out of it. So I take it serious. But even though he will support me here and there, I was the one that looking after it.
So what time your day get started?
Sometime earlier than this, and sometime later than this.
And then how long you go till each day?
Sometime till 5 o'clock. It depends.
Well, it's like one little graveyard though. So these are the molds?
Yes, sir.
Alright, cool. Walk on family?
Yes, my boss, my dad.
So what do you name?
Fitzroy,
Fitzroy.
otherwise known as Patman.
Patman.
See him here.
See. And today I'm going to show you how Dutch pot make. So you want to do for me now? Walk me through the steps from gathering the material and the whole works to the fire.
That thing out there.
Mm-hmm.
What time this for the material, boy? Like them said stuff here.
Mm-hmm.
And said stuff here.
Yeah.
Melt them up back.
Ah.
In there.
So how high this heat have to be if you can melt the metal?
Well, the heat you know about 150 degrees now.
Oh, for real? And how long, when you go in there, how long before the metal start melt?
25-30 minutes.
Oh, cool. How you getting at this business here?
Well, see this business now, it's like
We're coming from Waterhouse days.
come from Jerusalem. So, I go there, as a youth, see them do the work, and I stand up and I watch them, and I catch on to it. And I catch on to it now, for your husband was my friend. So, him decide to bring it down here, because through him used to do the buy and sell from them at home who do have the workshop. So him want go in at the business. So he want go in at the business now, he come to me down there because through me a kind of top molar and then time there. Him say he want me amongst him to come push him off. We there have a little workshop out by a place named Cherry Tree Lane. So out there we start. And then by stepping up, they move to Yorktown. So they move to Yorktown. This is where them in. Because them in there have one next workshop up at the house, you know.
Same.
Small workshop. So till them come here so.
So in total about how much years you say you in this here now? Because you're from your youth.
Well, me in this from me about 21.
Okay. And you're about 60 now?
And 67 now.
Oh, you look good, man. Look like a young boy.
No, man. Old man.
So tell me some of the things where you make with the same material. Yeah.
All right. This is from coffin angle to bracket to a floss where them use make false teeth to Dutch pot to even original whole time cool iron.
Oh, yeah, when you go on the fire with the little hanger, yeah.
And you even can make foot pot. Pot with the foot, 3 foot like whole time.
Yes.
You can make dish. You can make anything at all.
So I want to make manhole cover same way too?
Yes, man.
Okay, cool.
Even them have one thing with them retire, re-trade tire pan. All that.
Okay,
Can
cool.
build.
So this is the definition of recycle, because this is basically just recycle material they use.
Right.
Seen?
Even after this melt up and anything spoil, you can go back
Right back in
melt.
there.
Yeah.
So really not no waste?
No. They are delicate.
Okay.
Inside of them hollow.
Right.
Just the space of a pot or a space of a cover under doors.
Okay.
So I'll make a cover show you. We have to start it like this.
And this is dirt or sand?
Dirt.
This is dirt.
Between a dirt this.
Okay.
We call this definite molding sand.
Molding sand.
You look for your migler, it cover if you put the angle.
So you hit dirt, you help holding the heat?
The dirt frame the thing. And you shape it. Because we will take out back this cover here, you know. And just left a pear shape by like cover in there.
Okay. So it's a whole heap of work just to make one mold. And everything are handmade.
Yes.
So no fancy machinery, no nothing. So now we understand why Dutch pots so expensive. Sometimes if you don't know, you don't know, you know.
It a go expensive more.
You can't know until you know.
Because white all are expensive more. Material ship out of country.
Oh.
And then go make other things with it. So when it come back, you know, and when they get old, that's how we get material.
Right.
You see it? Mm-hmm. And they said, pouring all go.
Ah.
So when time it don't
Okay,
finish,
so hold on. So when you melt the material,
down in that
you throw it down in this hole, yeah.
right. And it just spread out.
And go spread off and take the shape of whatever
Right.
you. Ah, tio.
That is it.
Overstand. Overstand. Makes sense, you know.
Yeah, man.
Okay. So you cover it for nothing no drop back down in the hole.
Right.
See?
Things that we later create wool.
Right. So that's a one mold right so just done and that take about 15 to 20 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Can't take more.
Manual labor. How much of you can make for the day? On a good day?
Normally, you see, like them size, yeah, when me in a mood, me make all, just none half of them cover, yeah. Mm-hmm. And me make more than that too, but roughly that. Alright. You see, pan is smaller type like over there, so now, me give all 2-3 dozen a day.
That just cover our pattern cover.
Pot. See that day there.
Okay.
And then that day me do cover.
Oh.
You know, make it pattern cover one time.
Ah. Okay.
But me not go hard.
Oh.
Cause them thing you see through them big.
Uh-huh.
Everyone they can't wait.
Right.
Yeah, so me not really I go too hard. And me not that firm again like before. Because you're old man now. Me not should I lift them weight yeah.
And how long you see yourself to do this? How much longer you see yourself to do this?
How longer?
Mm-hmm.
You know, if life and strength, me get from God. You see? Me not think me will do it longer than the next 10 years. No? Me set myself in a position to teach some younger youth.
So you find so the younger youth them want to learn here, it kind of rough.
Well, it's rough, you know. It's rough. You see? Let me show you now. You see some youth, where them parents come up on the sufferation where them not try to go a wrong route. And where, cause enough people still got some youth where then grow them good.
See.
Broke me have to go more over back.
What the biggest challenge you find in this business here?
Like the biggest challenge you find, you see, is just money to kick you off. After you start with a wise head and you get material, you cannot go out down.
See.
See what I say? You don't go on your head, on your body.
So what is your name?
Gary.
What's your name?
Gary.
Gary. Yeah. And what your job, Gary? What you do?
I make image.
Or you make pot as well?
I run the firm.
I was seeing. So you're the fireman. Let it blaze. See the dada man. See, I go light the furnace and now I make you see what they go on.
Yeah, you see if you do it for yourself for a period of time,
Yeah.
you have to try and up the boss.
Seeing?
Yeah.
Seeing?
So you'll get something out of it.
So yes, I know you're lucky in the heat and make you go and liquid up the thing. Ah, so people watch you now. Because me in a wilderness. No restaurant or nothing on the board, so this me I eat for lunch. Me no drink soda, me no eat bulla. But I guess when you're at Rome, we don't know no fast food or no nothing.
You are going to
Talk to me.
see this?
Mm-hmm.
Nothing drop in here.
How can I rat them?
Man, and to draw them going out the mole.
Ah, okay. Alright, can I come? Because me know me I go drop crumbs. Why me no love this sabule? There no flavor.
Like bulla.
No man, no taste.
Bulla sweet, man.
Hey, bulla no name good man. Yeah, it's sweet, but you know no flavor. I don't know who make this sabule. But you know me no love it.
I drink whole heap of water from man.
Mm-hmm. Lunchtime over here now, everybody belly full from them fancy lunch, and now we are going to pour the material into the holes and actually make the Dutch pots. So I take up to go pour now.
Yeah.
The thing hot to till the pot where you might take up with it turn red. So all the spills and spoils get gathered and then returned to the furnace as it is also melted to help make more pots. About 10 minutes or so later, the molds were broken down to retrieve the final product. But please note that not all pours are successful and some of the pots have to end up back into the furnace to remelt to make other pots. Damage like that, just dash him back in the fire. So the one that don't make it at all. So a coal pot. What you call it, coal stove. Alright, so this is where come out of the first pour, and then we are going to move to another location where they get polish, grind off all the imperfections, and then we get ready to go market. Brother, you do amazing work, and me I tell you say, nobody can pay me to do this work here.
Right.
Believe when me tell you that.
Yeah, man, I know that.
You can't pay me no amount of money if you do this work here.
Right.
So me have the most,
fire.
brother, me have the most amount of respect for what you do.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Cause some man go and market and see Dutch pot and just, they see Dutch pot. But they don't know where Dutch pot come from.
No, them enough people don't know how Dutch pot build. Enough.
Brother, I first
All
me
the
what Dutch pot.
grandparents dead and gone.
I don't know how Dutch pot make.
No.
Brother.
Me like when me go down in the dirt there and farm out something, and when me pour it and we come out and we look like.
Yeah, you
Me
make you
love
feel
that.
nice.
Yeah, production.
I was very impressed. Cause me come and see her digging a dirt, me I say, okay, what this brother they do? But then when I see the final product, I say, yeah man, I'm proud of you man. Alright, my brother. Bless up yourself.
Love, man.
Bless up
Blessed love,
yourself.
man.
Blessed love.
Alright, sir.
And the man over here, so we are the chief engineer. Yeah, my fireman. Blaze it! Original fireman, brother. Bless up yourself every time, man. Every time. Much respect for this, here, brother. Cause as me tell this man over, so you can't pay him to do this. And you can't pay a upper man to do this. And the thing what me find out here now is when you know they done gone, nobody now do this because the youth them no one learn no trade again. So all of them skills that we have in a Jamaica land we love here, we are take time and lose it to some other kind of people. Because the youth them no want take it on and carry it on. See? So big respect. Whole heap of time me take off my hat and just heal you because what me see today is just ridiculous. I first me see Dutch pot make and me know say a lot of people never see Dutch pot make yet. So until we meet again. So this have to shine off the impurity. The rough edge there. Ready again.
I'm done.
You have an order. You can go to town and get to work.
Oh, so you can't find the worker if you have the order?
Yes, if me have the order, but if me don't have a vast amount of order,
Right.
me wouldn't need
More workers.
more workers.
Because you have the space.
Yes.
And your furnace big enough.
Yes.
Right.
So me really want to invest.
Miss Pansie,
Yes, sir.
I want to take off my hat
Yeah.
to the work where you do. And I want to thank you from the depths of my soul for invite me in your home, in your factory, to see the process of making Dutch pot.
Yes.
And one thing I can tell you, when I tell you work of them, nobody can pay me for do this work here.
True.
You couldn't pay me enough money for do this work here.
True.
Because, man, it is just crazy. So people, meet Miss Pansie, you can put her number down at bottom, link her if you want Dutch pot, no matter which part you want Dutch pot. If you locally, you can come to Clarendon. If you live far in Jamaica, she will send it down for Knutsford or send it down for Doorway or whatever. You can link me as well, and if you want your foreign, we will make it reach you. Miss Pansie, bless up yourself every time.
Yes.
And thank you so very much. Until we meet again, Jamaica Uncut, cut out.